Howdy, neighbors. Okay, I've seen a lot of different ways that people fill these holes. This is the one I'm using. Turns out they're 3/8, so I went and got just rod, like $4 or $5. And then I take the jigsaw and I end up with all these little suckers. And then take some wood glue, slap some glue around it, stick it down in the hole, give it a little twist there, and then just lightly hammer it in. I'll trim you later. So do a batch of these and let them dry. Yeah, do one more. So they go down to the bottom of the plywood. Then when it's dry, I haven't done this yet, but my plan has been to just cut them off. Like that. And then these little cutoffs, turns out, so even the little scrap pieces, the little cutoff pieces, work beautifully. So I figured out that 2 of these sticks is going to do 3/4 of the holes. And yeah, so what do I got? Maybe $12 in a few minutes. Yeah, so thought that might be interesting to some of you. Using the good old-fashioned Elmer's Carpenter's wood glue. Waterproof. Ooh, and stainable. Well, oh yeah, and this is plugged into my van. Later.